This assessment asks us to calculate the resonance frequency of an aldehyde proton showing up at 9.3 parts per million if it's detected on a 60 megahertz NMR spectrometer. Here's the equation that we're using for this, and I'll note that the resonance frequency, or the shift, is measured in hertz, but the spectrometer frequency is measured in megahertz in terms of the calculating this chemical shift. Now, what we're given here is we're given 9.3 parts per million as our chemical shift. We're asked to solve for x, and we're given the spectrometer frequency is 60 megahertz. So x divided by 60 equals 9.3. Multiply both sides times 60 to get x by itself. And I should have done this before I started the video, but 60 times 9.3 should be something like 540 something ish, or 558 hertz. Calculators are helpful for that.